Minute Math. When you need help, you use Minute Math.
We're given this problem right here. Log of x plus log of 8 is equal to 2, and we need to solve this. Well, right now we have the same base of 10, not really given to us, but we can use a formula here. We know the log of m plus the log of n is equal to the log of m times n. So we set this to be log of x times 8, or 8 times x. And that's equal to 2. From there, we can now convert that using our upper little formula right there. Okay? Our base here is 10, like I said. So now we have, in this form, we move it to this form. Our base is 10. It's raised to the, what we're taking the x value it's equal to, which is 2 here. And that's going to be equal to our a value, which is inside the logarithm, which is 8x. Well, 10 squared is 100. So 100 equals an 8x. Divide both sides by 8. 100 divided by 8 simplifies to be 25 over 2. Divide both of them by 4. And so x equals a 25 over 2. And that is my final answer. I hope this video was helpful for you. And if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching. We're given this problem right here. Log of 2 plus log of x equals 1, and we got to solve this equation. Now, these are log with the same base of 10, and when it's not written, it's just going to be log base 10 there. Now with that, we can see our formula. They tell us if we have log of m plus log of n, it's equal to log of m times n. So let's go convert that here. Log of 2 plus log of x is the same as log of 2 times x, and that's going to equal 1. Now what I said though before, without anything written, that's going to be a log of base of 10. Okay? We now use our top formula here. We need to convert that to be the upper part. So our base is 10, right? So this is equal to 10 to the power of what it's equal to. In this case, it's that 1. Be careful. And now that whole thing is going to be equal to what's inside the logarithm, which is 2x. Well, luckily for us, 10 to the first power is just 10. I divide both sides by 2, and 10 divided by 2 is 5. And so, pretty easily, my final answer here is x equals 5. We're given this problem right here. Log of x plus log of 7 equals log of 37. We have to solve this equation. Well, our rules here say that if we have a log of x plus log of 7, right, log of m plus log of n, we can combine them with multiplication inside of a logarithm. And it's because they also have the same base. So log now of x and log of 7, we're adding them, is just log of 7x multiplication. I flipped it around, but it's okay. That's equal to log of 37. Now our other rule states that if we have a log with the same base equal to a log of another one, the same base, and that's the only thing that's there and it's equal to, we can just set the insides equal to each other. So we can set the 7x equal to 37 and then solve for x. Pretty easy. Divide both sides by 7 and x equals 37 divided by 7. This doesn't simplify anymore, and so that is our final answer. We're given this problem right here. Log base 8 of 2 plus log base 8 of 4x squared is equal to 1, and we got to solve it. We have the same base of log base 8 here, and our rules tell us when we add them together, right, logs the same base, we multiply the insides, we can put it as one big logarithm. So to do that, we have log base 8 of 2 times the 4x squared here. And now that's still going to be equal to 1. Well, 2 times 4 is an 8, so we have log base 8 of an 8x squared, and that's equal to 1. We now use our top formula. We're given this form here, and we can rewrite it into the top part right there. So our base is 8, and it's raised to the power, what it's equal to, so just the first power right there, and that's going to be equal to what we call our a value, which is what's inside the logarithm, which is 8x squared. Well, 8 to the first power is just 8, and I divide both sides by 8, and I have a, well, 1, right? 8 divided by 8, 1, is equal to x squared. take the square root of both sides, and when in doing that, we have a plus or minus, don't forget that, square root of 1, which is 1. That's equal to x. And so x equals the two values here of positive 1 and a negative 1. And that is our final answer. We're given this problem right here, log base 5 of 6 plus log base 5 of 2x squared is equal to log base 5 of 48. And we need to solve this equation. Well, our rules tell us if we're adding two logarithms to the same base, right, we can combine it to be one logarithm, but multiply what's on the inside there. So let's go do that here. We have log base 5 and multiply this 6 times this 2x squared. And that's still equal to log base 5 of 48. We'll simplify this inside a little bit. Log base 5, 6 times 2x squared is a 12x squared. And again, that's equal to log base 5 of 48. Now our rules also tell us we have the same log base 5 on both sides, and there's nothing else there. So we can take what's on the inside, what we're taking the log of, and just set them equal to each other and ignore the logarithm. So we have a 12x squared is equal to 48. From there, I can divide both sides by 12 to solve for x. And I have x squared, 12's cancel, and 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. When I take the square root of both sides to get rid of that squared value, I have x equals plus or minus, remember we take a square root of both sides, plus and minus, and square root of 4 is 2. And so my final answer here is x can be a positive 2 or a negative 2. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. This helps us make more free math lessons for you and for everyone else. So as always, thanks for watching.
Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math. Minute Math, when you need help you use Minute Math. MinuteMathTutor.com